Welcome to the assembly video for our Sun, Sand, and Sea greeting card or note card. And actually, if you omit the little print and cut and just cut out a blank section like I did here, obviously you can adapt this to any occasion. It could be a wedding card for a beachy wedding, or it could be a birthday card for someone that loves the beach. But anyway, it's a really cool design. Kudos to our art director. The front of the card actually resembles kind of like, waves hitting the shore. So we're gonna put this together. It's very simple. So anyway, here's the card base. I've already pre-folded it, and we're gonna take this white section here and we're gonna pop that right inside like so. Okay, and now to do this right, you don't want to put any glue on this because we can't be completely sure where the glue is going to go here. So we do want to apply it on this side. So let's do that. We're going to kind of go easy on the glue here as far as the perimeter goes. And then just make sure that you get enough little splotches of glue around this area here where the waves are breaking, so to speak. Okay, and then just get your glue. Just kind of fill it in a little bit. Then we're going to take this, I'm going to pop this right into and up against the little fold there. Okay, and just make sure that it's all the way in. And then I'm using my finger here at the top to help with the alignment of this piece with the, in this case, it's the AC Latte color. I'm going to push that right down and press and hold that for just a moment while it sets. And there we go. Okay, so halfway there. All right. Okay, so the next piece that we're going to grab here is this little piece. Okay, and this is the, again, optionally, we've included a print to cut portion for this. I am omitting that for the video, but you will see that in the final photo. So again, that's optional. You can not use it and then customize it however you want, whether you do your own print to cut or maybe you even do a draw and cut if your machine is capable of doing that. But anyway, this piece is going to go here, and you want to just align that with the very edge of the card. Make sure that it's also flush with the bottom and top, and then press that down into place. Okay, so almost there. Now we've got this little sea foam portion here. Now I did actually hit this with a little bit of turquoise ink, just very slightly. Add a little more interest to the piece. And just like we did with that other portion that had all those crazy little squiggly designs, just make sure that you get some glue out to these little nooks and crannies here. Okay. There we go, just like that. And obviously this is going to go right up against this little scalloped region. Just make sure that you get it nice and lined up with that white portion. And you can see how you've got sand, you've got water, and then you've got the little sea foam that occurs when the waves hit. Okay, cute. Very simple too. And I mean, that almost sums it up here. We've got two more little elements. I've got a little sun, and that's going to go in the corner right here. You can either glue that down flat. We're going to give this a little added dimension by adding a few little 3D foam squares. And let's see if I can probably just get away with using 3 of them. And don't put them all the way out to the edge because you don't want them to be visible. Okay, so that's going to go right here. Just make sure you get it nice and aligned with the top left corner. Cool. And then we have a little starfish. And you'll notice that there are some little indicators here, and that's to help you with the alignment on that. Even if they weren't there, I'm sure you could eyeball it and get it pretty darn close. And let me make sure I've got it in the right spot. There it is, right there. A little foam square, add a little bit of dimension to it. Let me see if I got that right. There we go. Just like that. Okay, there you go. That was pretty much it. Of course, no card from Dreaming Tree would be complete without an envelope, which I have here. And we do have a pretty little seashell that we're going to add on top of that on the actual flap. So get a little bit of glue on there. I'll just hit it with some dots so we don't overdo it and get glue spilling everywhere. Just like that. And you'll notice this little nub there. That obviously is where the bottom of our shell goes. So use that as your guide for placement. And then just pop that right into place. You could even use this for invitations to a beachy wedding or a beachy birthday or whatever. Okay, so we've got the shell on there. And then we're going to take these two side flaps, fold them in, and this one's going to go up. But before we do that, throw a little bit of glue right on the inner part of this flap, like so. Just go easy with that. And bring that up. Hold her down for just a moment. Let that set. And let's see here. Yeah, I think we're just going to throw a little rhinestone right here just to pretty this up even more and call it a day. Very quick card, perfect for a beginner. So if you are new, if you're new to Dreaming Tree, great little project to start off with. I'm sure even a child could do this if you want to craft with one of your kiddos. But either way, very simple, very quick card for the beach lover in your life or any occasion that you want to make it for. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please take a moment and visit our YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button. While you're there, make sure you click on that little bell so that you get notifications anytime we release a freebie or a paid product or any of our educational videos. And if you make this or anything from our new bundle, we'd love to see it, and so would the rest of our dreamers. So head on over to your Facebook and do a search for Dreaming Tree Group, or you can type in this URL directly into your web browser and it'll take you right there. But oh, and before I go here, my envelope is dried, and you can see how nicely that fits in there. Beautiful, cute little card. So anyway, appreciate you guys hanging out with me, and I look forward to crafting with you again.